Hi there, I'm Joseph Quijano, certified financial planner and actually the founder of Become the Banker. And I gotta tell you something, I am so in love with this beautiful trail near my house. I just love to come over here and just be here for lunch. And I gotta tell you something that it just kind of brought something to my mind. That 8 out of 10 people, according to a government study, are not comfortable, retiring. They have fears that they're going to outlive their money, or they have fears that they don't have enough money put aside. And this is why really Become the Banker is so important for people to do. The Become the Banker strategy is a very simple plan with a very simple formula that offers a 4% guaranteed and tax-free rate of return. Now, how good is that? 4% tax-free, guaranteed rate of return, and it's totally liquid. That means that you can get your money out without any penalties. Now, there's not too many items in the financial world today that can give you that type of guarantee, that type of return, and that type of tax-free benefit. Become the Banker is the only strategy that will allow you to actually become your own banker. How good is that? If you would like to take advantage of this powerful financial concept, give us a call or go to our website. I'm Joseph Quijano, owner of Become the Banker. Thank you for watching again.